And the tugong is a very hard rock that zoom in and it zooms.
So, kasi our next game is try not to laugh challenge.
Ang kwento ko talaga sa inyo is, di ba tayo sa padaligid to? Kami, yung sa gitna, meron dyan siya, that is the highway. The highway, ang tawag sa kanya is Kigol. Pero in English, Kido. Justin, we have to imagine this. So this is the place in the middle of the and the where is the igit and the tugong come out. And the tugong is a very hard rock that zoom in and it zooms.